This is Code Combat. I am working on Computer Science 2, the JavaScript version of the course, and currently I am on Lesson 4, Forest Evasion. Let's see what we're doing. There is a headhunter in the area. Oh no! Move around the forest to avoid his line of sight. All right. And so this is a while true loop. Let's review real quick. Anything inside of our loop here, in between this curly bracket and on line 9, that curly bracket, will repeat forever. So if I were to write hero, say, message, great. And then I'm going to say hero, say, hello. Hello. And if I comment out these guys, so that the code, or I'll just delete this stuff, the code's going to ignore it. If I hit run, our hero is going to say message, hello, message, hello, message, hello, forever. So let's reset that. What we need to do is make our hero, there's a headhunter, move around the forest and to avoid him. All right. Use X, Y to keep him moving. Now let's remember there's a graph behind this, an XY graph, right? X is on this line, Y is on this line. And if I hover the mouse over, I get these numbers. That's the coordinates of each of these points on our hidden graph. So our hero goes here, I believe, and where does our hero stop? Right there. So we need to tell our hero now to go to this next X, which the coordinate looks like 23 and 44. So 23X, 44Y. How we do that is like they have above, hero, not hero say, not this time. Hero, move, and 23X is first, and then Y. 44Y is what I think, yep. Or was it 24? Okay, we'll change that to 24 just to keep our hero alive, and I'm gonna move to the next line. Now let's check out this X point. 24X and 24Y. So I'm going to type in move 24X and 24Y should take care of that one. Next up, I am going 40X and 12Y. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter, move 40X and 12Y. And then finally here, 56X and 24Y. I say finally because we're in a loop. And since we're in a loop, I know that after our hero goes to this point, it's going to loop back around and our hero will walk to the original point and go back through. Observe. There we are. We're running around. Wahaha. I think we shall live. Excellent. And that is our solution. He can't catch us. Oh, still running. Wow. You think he'd get tired? Nope. Hero's still running. Go, hero, go. And there we are. Let's continue onward.